up, baby girl? Welcome back to another video, man. It's the boy Drip on Insta, girl.
Siobhan. You scared me with all that. Okay, guys. It is Halloween. Ooh.
I think it's what, not couple days, but some days before Halloween.
Yeah, about 7.
Yeah, and then, so guys, we woke up a couple days ago. We was like, damn, we didn't post nothing Halloween and shit on our channel. Mm-hmm. And then we was thinking what could we do. Yes, I know we can go to the haunted house. Yes, we could, yeah, and such and such. But we was like, nah, we need to do something this week. Yeah. So we're going to do a little, what we're going to do. We can eat the most Halloween candy challenge.
Yeah, in a precise amount of time.
Yeah, so we're going to time ourselves. I know maybe 5 or 6 minutes. I don't know. 5 minutes, right?
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah, we don't want to do it too long.
Mm-hmm.
Got
Crunch. We have Snickers.
And then
we have Reese's. We have Whoppers. We have Kit Kats, Twizzlers, and Jolly Rancher sticks.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I'm going to try my best to win this for you guys. You know, Team Siobhan always. No Team Siobhan over here.
Whatever. Team Siobhan. He don't eat candy like that, so I'm good.
That's why I'm like, damn. I make sure I got me a water too, because I can't eat candy for too long. What?
Where's my water?
It's in your belly.
Where's my water?
It's in your belly.
Why you didn't bring me a water?
It's in your belly.
Well, your water in your belly. Give me some.
No, I need some more. I'm dehydrated right now.
I'm dehydrated.
No, swallow your spit.
Y'all see how he do me? He went and got him a bottle of water, but didn't give me a bottle of water. That's all right.
Alright, guys, without further ado, we're going to jump in. Oh, before we jump to that, we're going to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Without further, we're going to jump straight in this video. We're going to time myself for 5 minutes. Mm-hmm. This challenge is going to be who can eat the most Halloween candy challenge. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not a candy person. She's a candy person. So, do the max. You guys might say she's going to win, but I'm going to try my best to win it for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing too much talking for you. We're going to jump right into this video. I'm going to start my time on. We're going to jump right into this video. Boom.
Alright, guys. So, right here, we have all of the candy.
Come on now, man. You're so retarded, bro. Shit. Oh, yes. Get one on me. God damn, bro. You so wild, man. Way over there. Who gonna get that one right there?
Shit. That one just gonna stay there.
Carly little pinto bean ass over there, man. Talking about. That's stupid that. Alright, guys, don't mind. She's Alright, guys, as I was saying before, I was really interrupted by.
Oh, that was funny. That was so funny.
Can you shut up?
Go, come on.
As I was saying, guys, we got a candy right here. God damn. We got a timer right here. We got the camera right there. You guys watching us.
Okay, go ahead.
What's wrong? Alright, guys. I'll check this out, man. The timer's right here. 5 minutes. I'm going to start it in a second. All the candy's right here. All the candy. You know what I'm saying? We're going to see who's going to eat the most candy. It doesn't. You can pick any candy you want. It's not known. Wait, you cannot eat the same candy 3 times or 2 times in a row. So you pick Kit Kat. Don't eat all the Kit Kat all at once.
you
go ahead and pick 2, and then you can come back up with the Kit Kat. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna jump straight in this video. Put it down. Hands right here. I'm gonna start this video right. You ready? You ready? You know where you're gonna grab?
I'm scared.
Start. Go ahead.
Ah, why did I grab a Twizzler? I don't even like Twizzlers. Shit, I can't open it. That's not fair. Yeah. Eat that Twizzler. You gonna see? Eat that Twizzler.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with Twizzler? Damn. Okay. How many you got? Open! This is 3 balls.
Why? Bun up on that.
Bun up.
Bun up on that.
You need a Twizzler, nigga. See, this 5 right here for me. Guys, I can't be here, man. He's right behind me.
Fine. Alright.
I need some water. I need some water.
No! That's cheating.
You want some? Okay, then we both cheated then. Time's still going. Shit.
You gotta back watching this shit.
5. I mean, it's 6 right here. How many you got?
5.
That's 5 right there for you?
6 right here.
Alright, 6. That's 6? Man, I can't be there, bro. Seven.
Yo, he got a bigger mouth than me.
Yeah, you sleep right with time with me. 8. Guys, I'm close. I'm coming close to top up, bro. There's too much candy, bro. There's this much candy. I had like a hole here. How many I got? 7? How many I got?
I'm saying 8.
8? 2, 6, 7, 8. Shit. Bro, I got 8. Shit. How many got 8?
I am throat about to collapse.
Guys, nobody ain't telling me. Oh, come on, we're gonna try it now. God, that motherfucker's thick as hell. Guys, it's a tire now, guys. It's at 9-9. Less than a minute. Damn, this. Oh, hell no. It's still tired to me. What are you doing? What the fuck? Oh, hell no, bro.
Water. Oh, give me some water, nigga.
25 seconds. It's all good. I'm gonna lose it, bro. 10, 9. All right, 10. You got 9.
I don't care.
I won.
You still got it in your mouth.
I still won. I got 10 though. You got 9. I won.
He won by 1 point.
I still won. Guys, you should have stuck on my teeth, bro. I gotta wait for TV like 10 hours now. Guys, quick recess. Quick recess. We'll be right back. We'll be right back.
Alright, guys. We are back from our short recess. Bay went and brushed his teeth 3 times.
Bro, I couldn't, guys. The thing was stuck in my teeth. I couldn't. Like,
I honestly thought I had this challenge in the bag because he don't eat candy like that.
No. I mean, I was...
Why you break my candy?
That shit hard as hell, man. That shit hard as hell. Break my damn teeth. I'm like, what the hell is this? At the time, they said 30 seconds. I'm like, oh, hell no. I say, grab another motherfucker. That shit was hitting my teeth, too.
You are doing it. So, I guess he won. He won by 1 point. I had him, bro. Anyway, guys, we about to end this video right here. If y'all like these type of challenges and y'all want us to do some more of this stuff, comment in the comment section below. Also, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
Yeah! Yeah!
weird. He's so silly. Yeah. Anyway, guys, comment in the comment section. Team Shot Money.
Yeah, right. You just lost though. They don't come.
I don't care. I'm a winner. I never lose.
You lose today?
No, I didn't.
You win?
Because when you win, I win. When I win, I win.
What kind of? You came up with that scenario?
Because it's all in the process. Anyways, guys, we're about to end this video. So, wish